Forecast.
Well, a nice Tuesday afternoon and now evening. Currently 82 at the airport. Temperatures not as hot or as high as yesterday, and certainly a break in the humidity. The dew points, which measures moisture content in the atmosphere, the lower the number, the drier the air, in the 50s, and that sets the stage for what will be a very comfortable overnight. As we take a look at numbers currently in the Shenandoah Valley, we find 75 at the Valley Airport, a north-northwesterly wind at 10, and take a look at some other readings across the region. We've got 78 in Madison, we have 79 there in Palmyra, 83 in Dillon, it's 73 in Waynesboro, and 80 currently in Culpeper. Now, temperatures tonight under mostly clear skies and lighter wind will settle generally in the upper 50s to around 60 east of the Blue Ridge, some middle 50s in the Shenandoah Valley, and then a delightful day tomorrow. A lot of sunshine, low humidity, very comfortable. Temperatures in the upper 70s to around 80, so it will be like a spring-like day here for mid-June, really a treat. So we've got pleasant conditions here for Wednesday and Thursday, and a dry stretch through Friday. Those morning lows quite comfortable, even cooler as we'll start Thursday morning. Now the humidity will start to come back up more so as we head into the upcoming Father's Day weekend. Well, we know recently it's been a wet stretch, and this just encompasses the last 7 days from June the 8th through the 14th. And certainly as you look at this map, you can see the bullseye here, and that's Culpeper and Madison, where late last week severe flash flooding occurred, and some locations picked up in excess of 10 inches of rainfall, but many locations a solid 4, 5, 6+ inches. We did receive rain. Of course, it remains hit and miss, with some locations getting a lot more and others not a whole lot. At the airport currently 2.6 for the month of June thus far. Average today would just be over 2, so we currently have a surplus for the month at that location of just over ½ an inch. The yearly deficit right now is just under 3. Now, things are pretty quiet on NBC29's Doppler radar network. There are a few showers off to our north and west. This is a secondary front that'll come through later tonight. The front that brought some storms late last night, that has settled to our south. Some severe storms exiting off the Carolina coast at this hour. And meanwhile, big heat out west. Look at this number for Billings, Montana, 102. And some of these are going to rival, if not certainly break, some maybe June and all-time record heat for that portion of the country. And the reason it's hot out west is because there's a big ridge there. Meanwhile, we've got a trough developing here in the east, so that's allowing cooler, more pleasant conditions and a break from the humidity. Now, we'll start to see those things change as we head into the Father's Day weekend. So tonight, skies will return mostly clear. The front comes through relatively dry. We'll start tomorrow morning in the 50s, and then tomorrow afternoon, upper 70s to low 80s, quite pleasant. Even a cooler start Thursday morning with low and mid 50s. And Thursday afternoon, much the same, upper 70s and lower 80s. So some pleasant mid-June conditions. Temperatures tonight slip into the mid and upper 50s across the region. Tomorrow, a beautiful day, upper 70s to lower 80s with bright skies and comfortable conditions. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Temperatures will warm a little more, mid to upper 80s here on Friday. Should be a great evening for Fridays after 5 to kick off that season. And we've got a Father's Day weekend here. Temperatures on Saturday in the low 90s. There'll be more in the way of hit and miss storms during that stretch. Sunday also marks the summer solstice, and 80s will take us into next week with some more storm chances.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much.